Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can create hyperlinks that instantly connect your in-text citation to your reference section at the end of your document. So here you can see that this is the in-text citation and this is connect with the reference. So how you can connect with them? To link a citation to reference in MS Word, start by scrolling down to your references at the end of your document and highlight the specific reference entry you want to target, like this one. And then go to the Insert tab on the top ribbon and click on the links and click on the bookmark. And now type a simple memorable name for your reference without any spaces, like CNN, and click Add. Next, head back to your main text and highlight the in-text citation you want to turn into a link. And then again go to the Insert tab and click on the link, and this time click on the link and click on the place in this document. Here it is from the sidebar menu, and now locate the bookmark name you created earlier. This is the CNN, and then click OK. You will see the text citation text color change, confirming that it is now clickable hyperlink that instantly jumps straight to your reference when you click. So press the Control key and click. You will see that it's jumped to the straight to your reference. So that's all it takes to make your document much easier for reader to navigate. If you found this quick MS Word tip helpful, please hit the like, subscribe button for more simple tech tutorial and leave a comment if you have any question. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.